Hey guys, Aaron here, lover of all things good. So I wanted to shoot a morning video, and in the spirit of authenticity and, and just being engaged, I am going to cook breakfast. Just actually woke up. Been a little bit of a busy weekend, but it's gonna be a really lazy Sunday today, so I'm excited about that. Just getting some time to relax. But yeah, I wanted to make some food, cook some breakfast. Gonna have some plantains, some eggs with some basil, and also some potatoes, nicely sliced and sautéed. Aaron here, lover of all things good, in the kitchen. Gonna take you through some of my ingredients so you guys know what I'm gonna be cooking. It's Sunday, breakfast time, super hungry, and gonna have some breakfast food. So we have some plantains right here. So nice and ripe. It could be a little bit more ripe, but still pretty good. I'm gonna actually slice that open and saute it. And then we also have some cage-free organic eggs. I'm gonna use 3 for today's recipe. Got some freshly cracked peppercorns that I'm gonna use. I love those, can't beat that. And also we have some sea salt, some feta cheese. It's gonna add a nice kind of unique flavor profile. And some granulated garlic in there, all right? And then also I have some oregano from the garden and also some fresh basil from the garden as well. And then we're gonna go over here and take a look at our potatoes. Gonna add some of those potatoes in there. I'm gonna slice those nicely with some olive oil, some salt, some pepper, and going to saute those for about 10 minutes or so. All right, so now we're gonna add some oil in here. All right, I'm gonna basically just take these potatoes and nicely slice them. Basically chop a little bit of these green onions right now. So I'm just gonna finally chop those while watching my fingers. So I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper on top of that. All right, so now we're gonna add some of these green onions right here, just over the potatoes. I love that sound. Alright, I'm actually gonna add a little bit more, I think, salt to these. Not too much. We already put the salt on the oil, so already kind of, so make sure it's nice and seasoned and tasty. Our potatoes. Look at that. Alright. Alright. So I'm gonna take this and going to take the egg, crack it. And great, put it over here. And then also crack all 3 of these eggs. Gonna add some salt, some sea salt to that. Boom. And also some of that granulated garlic. Just a little bit of it, probably about a half of a teaspoon, if that. Now I'm gonna add in that basil mix right in here. Gonna chop it up a little bit. I'm just gonna take that and sprinkle it in the bowl, just like that. Great. And add a little bit of that. I'm gonna just tear it actually a little bit like that. Gives a little bit of that roughage, which is good. And I'm gonna add a little bit of, a little bit of that fresh feta cheese, mini. Just stir it up like that, nice and fine. Gonna add some peppercorns, that little noise. All right, let's move on to the potatoes now. All right, and there we go. I'm gonna take this and then add those legs right there nicely. Beautiful. All right guys, so I'm gonna actually take this plantain right here and I'm gonna cut it on the cutting board. Get it nice and heated up. I'm gonna basically just kind of take an incision. I shouldn't say incision, it sounds like surgery or something, but I'm gonna cut it down the side, the knife, just to kind of score and perforate the skin. And I'm just gonna slice it like that. I like mine this way, and people make plantains all kinds of ways, but I just slice mine kind of like at a diagonal. I don't like to have them too thick, but I don't want them too thin either, and then they just kind of like cook pretty decently. and basically put some oil in the pan right now. So I got some more oil, so I'm gonna actually add some more oil into the pan, just like that. So I'm gonna actually add these plantains to the pan, just like that. And I use a fork to kind of like turn them, and it just seems like the best tool to use for these, so. Yeah, so you see, basically that's how they're gonna actually look on both sides. So you get the point, I think, for the most part. I would say probably about 2 minutes over a medium flame, maybe 2.5 minutes over a medium flame on both sides. In this pan, pretty balancedly, evenly put on the flame. Basically take these and put them on the plate. I usually do kind of use, if there's like a lot of oil, this is pretty healthy oil and it's pretty lean, it's not too much oil on there. And I just kind of basically put them on the plate like this, like so. And then I'm gonna grab these and show you I have my potatoes. So I have some potatoes here, nice and sauteed. Then I have my eggs and my plantains with a little bit of feta cheese inside with some basil and some oregano. There you have it. Thank you so much. Let me know what you think in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe. All right, thank you guys. Give me a thumbs up, and hopefully you enjoy this recipe as well. And it's a great breakfast option for you.